Have your tables ready to go? Now I'm looking for page 14, is it? So lads, there's formulas on page 14, okay? And I'm looking for the double angle formula. So I'm looking for tan 2a, and it's on the bottom of page 14. And tan 2a is 2 tan a over 1 minus tan squared a. I identify that this is exactly the same as that formula, except instead of a, what is there? So a is 22 and a half. So what's 2 times 22 and a half? Tan 45 equals 1. And that is question 6 done. We all good? Alright. So, sorry, what am I doing again? Oh, I went too far back. Alright, question A. Are you ready? Alright, lads. Question A. I'm going to work with the left side because I think the left side is slightly more complicated than the right side. Would you agree? Sorry, even enough, isn't it? So what happens if I multiply sine A plus cos A by sine A plus cos A? Yeah, what he said. Essentially you're multiplying sine A plus cos A by sine A plus cos A. So we're going to get sine squared A. We're going to get sine A cos A and sine A cos A twice. So when you add them together, you get 2 sine A cos A. And then I get cos squared A. Now, here's the deal. You go to your tables on page, I think it's page 13. Page 13 for one of them, and page 14 for the other one. And on page 14 you'll see the following. You'll see that sine 2a is exactly the same as 2 sine A cos A. On page 13 on the top right hand side, you'll see sine squared A plus cos squared A equals 1. So therefore, you'll have sine squared A plus cos squared A. So you can change them, can't you? So you just end up with 1 plus sine 2A equals 1 plus sine 2A. We all good? Cool. Alright. Next one. Yes?
How did you change that to... Oh, wait, never mind.
Oh, sorry. No. So we did 6, 8, and now we're on 9. Now once again, I'm taking the more complicated side is this one. I'm going to square that out. Now what happens when you do cos x minus sine x multiplied by cos x minus sine x? What do we get? Cos squared x minus 2 sine x cos x, yeah. Plus sine squared x, is it? Okay. Now, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking if we go to page 13, what are the two of them equal to? What's cos squared x plus sine squared x? 1. What's minus 2 sine, what's 2 sine x cos x equal to? Huh? On page, bottom of page 14. Sine 2a. And multiply that out, and what do I get? Oh, sorry, that's meant to be an x, isn't it? So what do we get when I multiply it out? 1 minus 1. Because you're multiplying in by minus. And you end up with minus plus sine 2x. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels, gives you exactly. So that's 6, 8 and 9. We all good? Okay. Six, 8, 9, 10. It says specifically without a calculator, so okay. Once again, go to page 14 and look up the tan 2A formula. And where's the tan 2A formula? Is it bottom of page 14, is it? And I'm about to get 2 tan A. 1 minus. And what do I replace tan A with? A half. This one was easy. And what you get when you put it in to the calculator? What you get? None of you have it done. Somebody got 4/3. Okay.